So we'll start with the sales order. So if I go into the sales orders page here, so it's a quick way to see the list of sales orders. I can even bookmark this like I showed you the last time. And I'm now in the sales orders page. It shows currently the list of all the ongoing sales orders with a good status indicator, whether it's released versus it's still open to be confirmed. So you can turn on those flags, depending on the actual status of the order. And you can now see the list of all the sales orders that have been ongoing in the company right now. Okay. I'll start with creating a quick new sales order. So it's as easy as it is, like this, that you click on the new button and then you pick a customer. So let's say the first customer on this list. And the moment you pick the customer, again, from a navigational perspective, the system is giving you a lot of analysis on what's happening on this customer, right? You can see on the right side, there are some links that provides quick details of what's happening with the customer. For example, ongoing sales invoices, ongoing sales orders, that is currently right now about 8 documents. The documents that we've already posted as invoices, shipments, and so forth. So this gives you a quick analysis for you to navigate and then maybe do a quick check before you place this new order that you're working on, right? And also some financial balances that you can see at the bottom here. Like what's the credit limit that we have set for this customer, the total balance that we have, and so forth. And this page is also something that you can customize to add your own KPIs about the customer that you would like to know before you place an order. So we'll just do a quick example here. So I'm going to just pick up an item. Let's say we want to sell, we got an order from this customer for this item, Paris chairs, assuming this is a company that does a distribution on chairs or it does a manufacturing on chairs. So we pick an item, which is this Q code, and then you can also say on which location this is being requested from. So let's say it's from the main warehouse. You have the option to set multiple locations in the system. Your business can be operating at various geographical locations, which can become your location codes in the system, or even in the same geographical area. If you want to segregate your warehouse into multiple sections, you can create also as location codes. It's completely up to how you'd like to configure the system, which is where consultants can help you, giving you the best recommendations on how you can configure the system, right? So let's say this customer has ordered for about 15 chairs. And then there's a lot of other information that you can input on the line, like what's the sales amount. The amount can come from a sales price list that we can configure, again, trying to make it very automated as possible. And then you can set the dates on when the planned shipment date and so forth, right? Once the sales order has been created, there are other operational steps that you can do. I won't be able to go into every single detail, but I want to give you a sneak that you are able to email this document as a confirmation, or you can print it out as a confirmation back to the customer. And then once it's been confirmed, you can release it, right? So the status now is changed to release. So here's a sales order that's released on our system right now, which is order number 12, ending with order number 12. Okay. Now, if I let me just go back to the order just to show you another navigation feature. So on the line here, which is that item, just by clicking on the item, you should be able to see what's the quantity that's required and what's available right now in our inventory. Right now, it says -15, which means, we really have no quantity available in the system right now. So you need to be either procuring it or manufacturing it.